back with a Young Living haul. So I know I haven't been sharing my ER orders much this summer. If you guys have been around my channel, you may have heard me mention that we have been followers of the Dave Ramsey method. I know some people are just finding out about him, but we have actually been following his methods for about 15 years now. Maybe even a little longer. And so because of that, we are living a very like frugal and debt-free life. And so we were just funneling and cash flowing some different things this summer. And so I wasn't putting as much money into my ER because fortunately I had some stock of some oils and I was just ordering a few things here or there that we needed, like toothpaste and everyday items. So I don't have a ton, but I did do a slightly larger e-order this month, and I will definitely be starting that back up. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got for the month of August. So like I mentioned, not a ton, but the one thing that I'm so excited, and I can't wait to break the seal on this, that the reason I definitely wanted to get my order in and I can't wait to open it, is the new Peace and Calming roller. So this was a new item that came out this year. I did not go to the convention. It's just not practical for my family at this time. I hope to go someday. But I was so excited when everybody got back and they shared the items that were new. Sorry, I was peeling off the seal, which is so sad because this is such a pretty little container. So, okay, guys, it's out and it is so beautiful. I love this. Okay, here we go. Let me see that. I like this gold lid, and it has the, I don't know if you can see, there you go. You can see the little logo on the top. And the amber bottle is actually, oh, I must have, somehow it leaked. Okay, well, now I smell like Peace and Calming. But it's like a frosted amber, which is beautiful. I've never actually had a bottle roller from them. I've bought individual rollers off of Amazon and created my own rollers. So this is my first one. But we love this oil in our home. We use this, I call it my temper tantrum oil. We use it when my kiddos are having a really rough day, particularly my younger ones, my 4 and my 6-year-old. And so I was really excited to get this in a roller form. Rather, because we do like to use it topically. So I will be taking this along with me in, throwing it in my purse, taking it on the go with me when my kids are having a rough go of it, especially at like a store or something. Sometimes when we're out too long, they are just done, and I can't blame them, but this does help calm them down. So I'm very excited about that. The next thing that I got, something pretty basic, and it's the toothpaste. So we changed from using any toothpaste that had fluoride or any of those types of things in it about 2 years ago. And I had tried a few other things that I had found at Trader Joe's and whatnot prior, but I found this, it's been at least a year I've been using this, and I love it. I have had no issues with my teeth, no cavities, no anything. So I love this stuff. I think it's wonderful. I love the idea that it doesn't have fluoride and it has lots of good things in it. So there's a quick shot. I don't know if it'll come in. No, it won't come in for you very well, but you guys can look on the website, check the ingredients if you guys are interested. It's even leaving rings on my desk. Sorry, the Peace and Calming oil is on my hands. So the next thing I got was Super Bee. I've been so excited. I have tried to order this and I've kind of been rationing mine, which is terrible because I really, this is really necessary for me. I am low on B vitamins. I have been blood tested and it is something that I have to really watch, and I try to consume as many foods that I can, but this just really helps me. And every time I've tried to order it for the past 2 or 3 months, it has been out. So I have been rationing mine. I felt pretty crappy in July because I didn't take very much of it, and I knew that it was coming. It was in order and in stock, and so I started taking it again daily, and I have felt such a difference. So I am so excited to have a new bottle here because we are starting our homeschool year, and the last thing Mama can do is afford to be not on her game. So I got that. And then I ordered These don't really count towards your PV, but they are about, I believe, $10. And they are just roller tops that clip right into our oils, and they have the tops on them, or the different type of caps. So I like to use these for certain oils, like I use my Endoflex daily over my thyroid. I also keep one in one of my lavenders. I have a few lavenders. So a few oils that we use topically that don't need diluted. I like to keep these in my stress away. And so I wanted to get a few more of them because I only had one, and I was like popping it back and forth two, and I was popping it back and forth if I needed a different one. I kept it in the Stress Away and the Endoflex because those are the two I used mostly. So I've been wanting to order a few more of these, and I hadn't, so I did this month. And then the last thing that I actually ordered this month, now I do have one free oil. Like I said, I wish it was in the budget to get a little bit more this month, but I'll be honest, except for the high tier of the ER rewards, I wasn't super stoked about what they were giving away this month in comparison to some other months. So I'm hoping that next month that there will be things that suit my family a little bit better, and I can go ahead and order more items. So I was taking it out of the bottle because I got another roller, and this, I'm probably going to butcher this. Rutavala, I think is how you say it. And so we have the Kid Sense Sleep Ease oil, which my youngest we use a lot for, and she loves it. But I have found that my 10-year-old has been having trouble sleeping recently, and so she has been stealing her sister's oil. And I have done some research and found that this seems to help with nighttime, like insomnia. And so I thought that I would give this a try for her. I don't usually have that problem. I work hard enough that by the time I hit the bed, my brain is done for the day. But she has one of those brains that just keeps going no matter what. And so I'm hoping that this will help kind of shut that down for her and let her relax a little bit without consistently stealing her sister's oil. She was really excited to be getting her own. So we are trying this one out for the month. If you guys use this oil, I would love to hear how it works for you. If you guys could drop a comment down below there. So what did you guys get on your ER order? I would love to hear. You guys can drop it down below. I would love to try some new things in the upcoming months. So I would love to hear what you guys are getting. And if you guys like these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because we will be coming out with more healthy living type videos in the future. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye. And you guys can all laugh at me because as soon as I turned the video off, I realized I never shared with you what I got free this month. So I did order all of these things, and for free they sent me a citrus fresh. So kind of a nice way to close out the summer, just making your house smell really cool. I have not used a whole lot of this. I actually have it already. I'm wondering, I use orange in a lot of my fall diffuser blends, so I'm wondering if perhaps this might go into some of the diffuser blends that I can find. If you guys have any suggestions for this, please drop it down below. So we'll try this again. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.